Okay, so again, the problem is I have a lot 50 feet by 150 feet. We note that its perimeter is 400 feet, and if you don't know how to find the perimeter of a rectangle, look up the word, okay? The area as it is, 50 by 150 feet, is 7,500 feet squared. Feet times feet is feet squared, 50 times 150 is 7,500, okay? Now, this is just make-believe, but I'm pretending that there's a guy who has a lot of pretty nice land. He wants to trade me this lot for any lot with the same perimeter, and I'm trying to figure out what perimeter or what dimensions I should have for a perimeter of 400 feet to make the lot as big as possible. Okay? Get as much land as possible. Okay, so we start exploring a little bit. For the same perimeter, if the length increases by 10, what happens to the dimensions? Well, it should be clear that if the length increases by 10, it's 150 feet long, it'll become 160 feet. But if I increase the length by 10 and don't change the perimeter, I've got to decrease the width by the same amount. So, if the length increases by 10, we end up with a 40-foot perimeter, 160-foot length, and hopefully you got that, 6,400 square foot area, right? So it looks like I don't want to do that. I don't want to decrease the length by 10, that's for sure, okay? Maybe I even conjecture that I don't want to decrease, or I don't want to increase the length by 10 because that narrows it down too much. And I might conclude that I don't want to increase the length at all because it looks like decreasing the width has more effect than increasing the length, at least if I start at these dimensions. Okay. Well, we'll come back to that, but let's say, what if I increase? Or sorry, if we decrease, what do we get? So tell me what we get, and then if you get that, what average rate with respect to length did area increase or did area change when the length increased by 10, when the 150-foot length increased by 10 feet, and at what rate when length decreased by 10 feet. So let's see if we can answer these two questions. The first one should be pretty straightforward. The second one you might have to think about a little bit.